tree so tall. O is for ostrich, the fastest of all. U is for unicorn, so full of grace. Vowels bring smiles to every face. A, E, I, O, U. Now we know them.